Now, our meteorologist, Romain, is here with us to give us an update on Tropical Storm Lisa. Romain, welcome. First of all, how close is Lisa to Jamaica?
Well, Lisa is about somewhere between 250 and about 270 kilometers towards the southwest, between southwest and southwest of the island, as it moves further towards the west and away. It did come close enough for us to have some significant shower and thunderstorm activity affect the island for most of today. Much of the activity started from sometime after 8 in the morning, especially across eastern parishes. We recorded up to about 45 millimeters in some parts of St. Thomas, slightly lower amounts in St. Andrew, as well as in Kingston, also St. Catherine and Clarendon. We did also have some very strong winds, some gusts reaching near 30, between 30 and 37 knots across sections of the southeast.
And this is the outer bands of Lisa that we're experiencing?
Basically, yes.
All right, fisher folk in Clarendon, they have already said they're not taking any chances. Tell us, what can we expect over the next 24 hours?
As the system moves away, we're expecting conditions to gradually improve. We're looking for more of a partly cloudy to mostly cloudy day for tomorrow, with some isolated shower activity across the southern sections of the island. And the winds are expected to die down to between 15 and 20 knots, especially across the south, slightly lower wind speeds on the north.
And there is some room for development into a hurricane, we're told?
Yes, it is likely to be developing into a hurricane, should be a Category 1 or Category 2 over the next 24 to 48 hours as it moves further into the Western Caribbean, where conditions are a little bit more favorable.
Okay, good. Thank you very much, Romain Robinson, there, our meteorologist. And he will have more details in Primetime Weather.